Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset realme C20 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Slide downward to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off, and now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it, and now release. Okay, now the volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, now confirm language. Now you can also use the touch feature. Okay, now tap on white data, so you can see please enter verification code 9567. Enter it 9567, and you can see white data, retain context messages and photos, and format data. Okay, now tap on format data, and you can see all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format, and you can see please wait, wiping data, do not perform any other operations. And you can see wiped successfully. Okay, now tap on OK. And guys, after the hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset realme C20 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.